Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of treat week, which is super exciting. If you missed day 1, we made some paleo cinnamon buns or rolls, whichever you want to call them. So I'll link that down below. There's also a massive giveaway going on, so if you want the details of everything you can win, it is in day 1's video. There's a master prep ninja blender, there's silicone straws, there's mats, there's Star Wars spatulas, a bunch of basically healthy kitchen essentials. So go ahead and check that out, and I will leave the rules down below. But basically, you comment on one or all, as many as you can, of my treat week videos, and each comment on each video will be entered and you can win this. And it is international as well, so that's exciting. Today's treat is a no-bake eggnog truffle, which is so delicious and easy to make. You can make a bunch of them for your family, for your friends. It makes a tasty gift too if you want to bring to like work or school, something like that. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, like I said, and I am going to be doing a ton of giveaways on my Instagram, at least one per day starting at near the end of this week. So you definitely want to follow on there, because there's going to be Four Sigmatic, Bulletproof, Superfoods, all the things that you guys requested me to give away are the things I'm going to be giving away. So you don't want to miss that. And yeah, let's get into today's healthy holiday treat. So to make the eggnog truffles, I'm starting off with almond flour. Almond flour, you guys know I love because it's rich in vitamin E and protein. Then I'm adding in some coconut flour. And the coconut flour, because it's such an absorptive flour, it really helps with the texture of these. A pinch of Himalayan salt, and then nutmeg, which is the star of the show because there's a lot of nutmeg in eggnog. So it's going to help give you that eggnog flavor. I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of nut butter. You can do any kind of nut or seed butter: cashew, pecan, walnut, almond. Then 1 tablespoon of maple syrup for a little bit of sweetness, along with a couple tablespoons of almond milk, which is going to help bind everything together. So then take your spatula and just mix that together until you get a nice thick dough that kind of forms together for itself. And because we only added in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, these aren't very sweet. So if you need it a little bit more sweet, you can go up to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So as you see, it folds together super, super quick. That's what I like about this recipe. You can make this super quick and easy, and it's kind of no fail. So I roll that into balls, and as you can see, the texture is perfect. It doesn't really stick to your hand too much, and you can roll it into perfect little balls. So then I took some dairy-free chocolate. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the melted chocolate, and it'll melt quite quickly within the chocolate. And what this does is it really helps to create that nice hardened shell around the truffle, so that when you handle it, it doesn't melt super quick in your hands and you get chocolate all over your fingers, basically. So it just helps to create that nice shell around the truffle. So go ahead and dip each of your balls into the truffle. This made about 12 balls or 12 truffles for me. And as you can see, it perfectly enrobes each of them. Super easy to do. And you can definitely put anything you want on top of this. You can put like crushed candy canes if you want to be festive. You can put a little bit more cinnamon, or you could drizzle some coconut butter if you wanted to make it look more fancy. But it's just a really easy dessert. I'm definitely going to be bringing this to my family party for Christmas as part of my dessert tray, because it's something that you can make easily, and it kind of just pop it in your mouth, and it's a quick little dessert bite that everybody can enjoy, which is super nice because it is, plant-based. So no matter anyone, you and your family, everybody can enjoy it, which is super fun. For mine, I am sprinkling a little bit of sea salt on the top because I love the combo of sweet and salty. It just really heightens the flavor of both the chocolate and the nutmeg and everything in there. So I'm using some coarse sea salt and putting that on the top. And then you just have to let them harden in the fridge or the freezer for about 30 minutes, and you have these perfectly easy textured truffles that taste like eggnog. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment. Today's comment, what should today's question be? Today's question, it should be holiday related, is going to be, tell me if you have a Christmas tree, tell me the colors or the theme of your tree, if there is a theme. Mine's kind of like silvery blue and really cool tones because that matches the rest of my house. But let me know what yours is down below. Don't forget to come right back to this channel tomorrow for day 3. It's one that a lot of you guys requested, and one a lot of you guys said was your favorite treat on yesterday's video. So I'm super excited to healthify it for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.